keeping this one short and focused on conversion of text to voice using Elevan Labs. So if you haven't yet created your account, first thing you want to do is essentially go to Elevan Labs IO. So if you just do a quick search in your browser, should bring you a couple of options. So the one you want to be choosing is the one that has the .io extension here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And there we go. So right up here, you'll find the sign up button. Just click that. All right, so you could either use this one here, but if you're already logged into your Google account, you can just come here and click this. This will just run the authentication. I'll just go ahead and click on this one here. Great, so it's gonna go on and say it's gonna take account name and email address. That's okay. So click continue there, and all right, it's still loading up, so we'll just give it a second. All right, there we go. So we can see the UI here, and it does have a lot of options currently, and they're constantly adding essentially new functionalities or features. But if we look right here on the left, we can essentially see one of the options here is text to speech. And again, they have other options as well, such as voice changes, isolators, and a bunch of others. But we'll go ahead and click the one we're interested in for today. So that is text to speech. So it's just going to take a moment. All right. So right here, what we have is essentially then the section where we'll be adding our text. Usually there is limits as to how much you can essentially add. And whenever you hit that limit, it's always going to show down here. As you can see, it says upgrade because we're using the free version. Later on, if you want to do bigger tasks like use it for your podcasts, you can definitely upgrade. But we're going to keep it light here. So let's essentially type up something like all right, so it's definitely saying never increasing user adoption as compared to past years. All right. And again, you can make this as long as you want. How about we actually do that? So I'm just going to quickly type up here and look up an article, for example. Actually, that may be flagged since we are putting it up here on YouTube. So let's just do this one here, as short as it is. So we're going to go ahead and say generate speech. And as you can see down here, it's already starting to load that. And if we look closely here, you can see the voice that it's using. You have the option
AI
to
is
change the
definitely seeing an
voices
ever-increasing user
around here.
adoption as compared to
All right,
past
it's
years.
already essentially changed it to audio. Just gonna increase my volume here so you're able to see that. So there we go. All right, so if we play now.
AI is definitely seeing an ever-increasing user adoption as compared to past years.
All right, so essentially, like I was saying earlier, you can make this as long as you want, and if you want to change the voices, you have the option to change your voices here. So you can go to explore, and you'll have a list of all the voices that are available. Later on, you can also add your own voices in this one or the ones that you select, and it will keep it right here where you could always go back to. Whenever you're done with that, if you want to download, then you can always come here to the bottom right corner. You can see the download sign. If you click that, then it goes ahead and starts to download for you, allowing for you to export. So as we can see here in this tab here, it's already downloaded, and we can go ahead and open it up from our local desktop and use it in whichever project we're working with. And again, some of the other options that may be important for you to be aware of or consider is things like the speed, how fast or how slow do you want it to be. So if you want it slower, you just have to drag here, and if you want it faster, you just drag it here. You have stability, similarity, how similar or less similar do you want it to actually um, sound related to the sound that you already selected here, or the voice that you selected here. And then you can also have style exaggeration. As you can see here, we had none, but if you want it to be exaggerated, you can definitely do that. And there's other options as well, of course, like speak boosters. And if you explore with this and you end up not really liking how it sounds, you can always come back down here where it says reset values, and it's going to take it back to the values that you had prior. As you can see, it's already gone back here. Also, again, as a quick look right here, as you can see, these were just 83 out of 5,000 characters, which is the limit. Whenever you get close to it, it's obviously going to be showing you here. Allows you to work in smaller chunks, which are a bit more manageable. And also it's going to be showing you the number of credits that you also are using here. So as you can see, it gives us 10,000 credits to use. And whenever we exhaust those, it's going to let us know. And then we can always buy more credits. All right, hope that helps. Good luck on your projects. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to share them below, and we'll be happy to get back to you. All right.